guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about a new hair product that I was using in the last period of time for dry mid ends. So if you struggle like me with bleach hair and your mid ends tend to be more drying and more damaged, please watch this video to see my opinion about this product. It is a bond repairing product from Oligo. It is their B3 Brazilian bond repairing and reconstructor product. So I bought this from my hairdresser, and you can use it in two ways. I was using for reconstruction, like I was doing in my salon. I just wash my hair like usual, towel dry, and then apply a generous amount of quantity of this product, even for my dry scalp. And I left overnight, and in the morning I just rinse it off and blow dry like usual. The second way that I was doing this, I was using this product was like a mask. After I shampoo my hair 2 times, I don't use Oligo, and I use this product because they said you can use it like this to leave 2 minutes and then wash it like usual. And I want to tell you my opinion about the product after I have been using 3 or 4 times since I bought this. I struggle a lot with my greasy hair, and in the last 2 or 3 weeks since I highlight my hair and bleach my hair again, I noticed a great thing. So if you want to know how my hair from washing 2 or 3 days between my washes, now I survive 5 days without washing my hair, and my hair looks very nice. I will insert a video here to see how nice my hair looks. Even in my roots area, it didn't feel greasy or something like this. So I want to tell you my experience. Maybe I can help you if you struggle with the same problem. For the one who is new here, my name is Irene, and I like to try different products, especially for hair care, skin care, and other beauty products, but I'm passionate about hair care especially. So I'm glad to have you here again on my channel. I'll be honored to have you here in my community. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button to see when I post a new video. So first of all, I have fine hair. I was struggle in the last years with gray hair and greasiness and dandruff, and because I was struggle a lot, I was trying different product, different brand, professional, natural, dermocosmetic, but I didn't succeed to find the product that resolve all my problem, my scalp, my greasiness, my dandruff, and my mid length that was dry. So I decided, because I have a lot of gray hair, to bleach my hair and to achieve this ashy cold tone. And I was surprised because I see a huge difference in my hair condition. Maybe my hair isn't so healthy at the moment. My money piece in this part seems drier and with some split ends, because these are the parts that tend to split often. We just take our hand in our hair. This part, it is very fragile, and but overall I noticed that my hair feels more thicker, has a lot of volume after I wash my hair. So last night I just washed my hair, but I was applying the K18 treatment. This is the reason that my hair feels more soft, and my curls didn't last so well. But when I don't use K18, I just use my regular oligo mask, my hair, it is in a great condition. So I don't know if it's the bleach, maybe it's the Munir shampoo that I use, but my roots aren't greasy. My roots are in a very good condition. This is the reason that I can expand to 5 days since I wash my hair. In the past, at 2 days, maybe 3, I should wash my hair because my scalp tends to be dry and to become more itchy, and I don't feel the sensation when your scalp is itchiness. So if you have blonde hair, maybe you can give it a try to the Munir shampoo. I don't have the bottle right now because I was buying from my hairdresser, like I told you in my hair transformation video, but you can find it online. I will insert a link in the description box below. It is the Munir Toner Shampoo Boost. It is purple shampoo, that's why you can use it only if you have blonde hair. On dark hair or brunette, I don't think it will be visible, the purple pigments, but you can try. I don't think you can ruin your brunette or dark color if you're trying, but the composition of the product and the formula of it helped me a lot with my scalp. So I guess this is the reason that my scalp is in a very good condition, that I can achieve 5 days without washing my hair. So I'm so pleased with this, and I wanted to share with you guys. So give it a try to this shampoo. Maybe you can have the same result like I have. So I hope you find useful this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye guys.